Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to replace the 4-wheel drive disengaged solenoid, or some people call it 4-wheel drive hub locking solenoid. This video applies to Ford F150s made from 2004 all the way up to 2008. Okay, on these trucks the 4-wheel drive actuator solenoid is very accessible and easy to replace it. It is right here, just behind the battery. Most common cause of a bad solenoid or a failing solenoid is that you often get stuck in a 4-wheel drive mode or your front axle stay locked. So in that case you'll have to replace this cheap part and you'll be good to go. Okay, so I got a brand new one from Napa. Here is the part number and they call it 4-wheel drive and evaporative emission solenoid. I'll show you how it looks actually. Okay, basically just this is the solenoid, this piece and this bigger black piece, this is just the bracket, which you actually don't have to use. It's really up to you. The point of this bracket is, like I said before, to protect the solenoid from the water draining down the windshield. It's just a bad design and bad location for this solenoid to be placed, but it is what it is, so it's up to you. In my case I will be replacing the bracket as well with the solenoid. You don't have to. If you want to replace just the solenoid, you can just pry this solenoid out from this bracket, do the same thing on this one and just switch the solenoids. But in this video I will show you how to replace the complete assembly. Before you start, make sure to disconnect the negative battery pole. You'll need the 8mm socket to do it. Okay, so next thing you want to do, you want to remove two 10mm nuts, one on this side, this one, and one down there. Okay, I'll try to record it. Okay, it's right here. So yeah, remove those two and then you'll be able to remove this complete mounting bracket, and it's gonna be easier for you to disconnect these wires. Or if you want, you can start by disconnecting these wires, but like I said, once you remove the bracket it's gonna be much easier to access these wires. Okay, so here are both of the 10mm nuts. Like I said, easy to remove. Now you can pretty much just pull the complete bracket off, and the next thing to do is just disconnect this upper switch and two lines from the bottom. To disconnect the switch you just have to leave this plastic clip over the pin and pull it out. Okay, just like this, and these lines you just pull straight out. Okay, I'm trying to work with one hand, but okay, here we go. Okay, and this is it. Okay, so here is my new part. You can actually switch this solenoid from this spot to this spot if you want, if it comes, but it doesn't really matter. All these wires are long enough to be able to just plug into this, so it should all be good to go. And then pretty much that's it. You just put that back in, screw the 10mm nuts, plug it in, and that's it. End of the job. Very easy to do and very cheap part, and it fails very often on these older F150s. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.